Are your Jeep doors harder to open or close than normal? I'm gonna teach you how to fix it. Best thing, only costs $27. Let me show you. Real quick before this video, I just want to tell you that these should take 10 to 15 minutes a door. That's it, unless you run into problems like I did. And I wanted to post this video in case you run into the problems like I did. Maybe it'll help you out. What is up, guys, and welcome back. Check it out. We got a problem that hits these Jeep Wranglers all the time, but the good news is it's easy to fix. Some of the doors, when you go to open them over time, they get a little harder to open than normal. This one here just swings right open. But this one over here is a different story, where we take the little guy in and out all the time. When you go to open it, you can see you got to pull it. And when it gets to this far, it doesn't want to move at all, really. Reason being is because right in here, there's a bushing that wears down, corrodes, or wears out. We're going to replace those today. Now the bushing sleeves down and runs down in that chamber right there. The aluminum ones can corrode with the other metals they're against. Some of them can be tricky to pound out, some just fly out, so let's see what we got going. Only thing you'll need for this is a hammer, maybe some penetrating grease if you're having a bad day. And if you want a little bit of lube to put on the new one, you can use white lithium grease, but I recommend you use a graphite lubricant. Put some anti-seize on there, you're not gonna regret it. So the kit you wanna get, there's a lot of them on there, but you can go on there. I got the X-Brite. It's $27 on Amazon, like I said. This is the box you'll get. When you open it up, it almost looks like some ammo casings in there. The nice thing is they're brass. They give you this handy dandy little removal tool. Just want to note this whole entire kit was for a 4-door and it was $27. If you go get the factory ones from Jeep, they're $20-something a piece. Times that by 8. Let's go ahead and rip these off with the T50 Torx. You can see even when that's loose, it still doesn't want to open. So we know our bushings are bad. So if you're not aware, inside the door panel, there's a little access here. You can get up to the electric, pull that out. There's a little hook you unhook inside of there, and that'll pull right out of there. Door's ready to come off. Door is seized into the hinges. I'm gonna have to hammer it out. Your door should slide right off. If they don't, you can loosen these up, like 5 or 6 turns, hit those with a hammer. It should start it off enough to get it up, pull it off. As you can see, there's those stock plastic bushings and they are roached. It's all just falling out of there. Look at that. See the old liner coming out? This lower one is a pain if you got these running boards, I'm telling you, because you don't have enough room to swing around your hammer. So I took a chisel, a flat chisel, caught the edge of the inside and got it started. But that's a commitment because you're going to ruin the inside of that if you can't get it out. Make sure you're ready to commit. But once you get it started, it should come right out. Sandpaper comes in the kit. It's already cut the size you need. Rolled up. There you go. As you can see, the hole's nice and clean. She's ready for a new sleeve. A bit of white lithium. Let's do it. Another problem. You ready for this? So the little hinge insert on the door is corroded and swollen, so it won't go in there. I'm only posting this because other people might have this problem too. This is how I got it to work. Doesn't go like the instructions say, but sometimes you gotta make it work with what you got. Let's check this out. I pre-hammered those in on the door. Now let me put it on. It's Ohio, man. You gotta love the salt. There we go. Now does it open and close? Hey, we got our door back. It's fixed. This hinge right here is corroded. I'll have to get a new one, and then our setup is good. But other than that, you're gonna need new bushings anyway eventually. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Also check the channel. There's all kinds of stuff on there. Things you can learn and do, and invite people over and tell stories and cuddle up. You can cuddle up with a blanket and just snuggle and watch all night long. All night long. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.
Got your number, bro.